Evening, everybody. It's 8:30 on Sunday night. We don't have a market tomorrow, so I figured I would wait a little while and see what kind of action we saw in the overnight futures, and that's what I'm here to tell you. The crude oil is up $1.34. That's pretty close to the high 88 and change. This is a market that I think has run into the support yet again, and I'd like to see it moving a little bit higher. Let's see if we can get a daily chart, and this is, you can see there's just a tiny little number right here. No real range, but it did open to the upside and seems to be remaining there. I really need to see it over 91 or 92 in order to get excited about it. The rest of the oil, the distillates, we have heating oil up 13.5 cents. That's almost 4%. We have gasoline up 2.5 cents. That's 1%. And of course, we have the nat gas on the closure of Gazprom that has not opened yet. We have up 17 cents, so that's about 2%. What's interesting here is the spread between our crude and Brent, which is much closer there. And that's a pretty extreme move. It's been running in the neighborhood of $3 to $4, and now we're sitting at 6.25 to the upside. So I think that market is obviously in much greater demand. The gold is down $3, silver is down 3 cents, and the copper, which is sitting very close to support. And in tonight's letter, I mentioned how the commitment of traders has turned positive for all of these. The commercials and the professionals are now controlling the long side, and most of the non-professionals are out of the market, and that tends to favor the upside. None of the meats are open. Cotton is not open, but it was limit down on Friday. Let me just show you what that looks like here. We, had this great rally, limit up, limit up, limit up, and closing up only half on the day. We had a slightly lower high here a week later, and now we've come all the way back down here. I expect we could come down as low as 98, which would be one more limit day down, but I think that we're pretty well supported between this 97.5 and 98.5. As far as coffee, we have no open tonight, but we've pulled back, had a real nice run up into that 240 area. Sugar is also not open. None of these things are open tonight, so not much point in discussing them. The S&Ps are up 7.5, up 21 in the Nas, up 55 in the Russell, and up $3.30. $3.30 in the Russell. That's right. The dollar index up 40 cents. Bitcoin up 45. Ethereum continues to power higher than the Bitcoin, and bonds are basically unchanged. Just want to mention that in tonight's letter, I mention about the gold silver ratio, which has gotten absurdly high, 96 to 1. This is a ratio that used to hang in the 35 to 60 area, now 96. And one more thing, and that is that the Tuesday after Labor Day, this market has leaned towards the downside. In fact, S&P, Dow, and the Russell 2000 have all been down the last 5 years in a row. So maybe we'll see a little shift there. Have a good evening, everyone. Hope everyone has a nice barbecue, good weather. It's going to suck here. It's supposed to pour, but have a good one anyway.